Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
This is the BMW M4 BiTurbo GPF competition. It is a 2018 model. It comes with just 17,149 miles on the clock from 2 previous owners. It's got fantastic BMW service history and was serviced last in September of 2022 at 16,700 miles, and also comes finished in the Austin Yellow Metallic. Comes with a set of the 20-inch M Light Star Spoke alloy wheels worth an additional £175. You'll also find on the front and rear parking sensors aiding you when manoeuvring to keep it in fantastic condition. It does also come with the already set up aftermarket front and rear dashcam system as well. Into the boot reveals plenty of space available for a sports car, side pockets to the left and right as well, so you can put any loose items in safely. Into the rear seating now, you've got the full merino leather upholstery looking absolutely fantastic. ISOFIX mounting points as well as storage space in the centre there and fan controls. Making our way into the front, that gorgeous styling does continue all around. We've also got the Harman Kardon sound system, an option worth £245. The lightweight M Sport seats do come with the electrical adjustment and memory functionality for the driver's seat. On the steering wheel, you'll find your M driving modes with the cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as volume controls and hands-free call answering. On the digital screen here on the dash, you can see at the bottom we can customise things, including the suspension and steering, which you can flick through the predefined options with the M and M2 options, as well as actually pressing the buttons in the centre console. And it does also come with a head-up display worth an additional £825, which even includes the speed limiter display worth £220. Onto your main media system now, you've got AM, FM and DAB wavebands on the radio there. I've also got the music collection, CD player, Bluetooth audio and USB connections. You can also use that Bluetooth for hands-free calling. As I said before, you can answer via the steering wheel mounted controls. Into the navigation system, you can input your address nice and easily into the system there and even say the address, and you do get the nice clear map as well, giving you nearby points of interest such as petrol stations and even nearby dealerships. You can now go into the My Vehicle settings and check everything in here, including your M Drive 1 and M Drive 2. As I said before, it allows you to adjust things such as the engine, the chassis, as well as the steering and transmission of the vehicle. We've also got the vehicle status here, where we can see everything is in fantastic condition and running as it should be, as well as all of your service history straight on the iDrive system. Front and rear sensors do also come up visually on the screen there, indicating where said obstructions are, so you can manoeuvre away safely. You'll find it comes with a dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the left and right side of the vehicle individually, as well as keep nice and toasty with the heated seats for driver and front passenger. Making our way down the centre console now, you can see some more controls for the media system, storage space there, as well as your 12 volt, which currently has the dash cam plugged in. DSG gear stick, you've got the controls for the media system, as well as a wireless charging plate for your smartphone and even the USB connection.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call now on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.